Hamster Combat key shortcuts, why they could cost you the airdrop. Hey everyone! In today's video tutorial, we're diving deep into an important topic. Many of you have been asking about the Hamster Combat key and how it could affect your chances for the upcoming Hamster Combat airdrop. I've seen a lot of confusion around this. Recently, there's been a surge of people looking for shortcuts to get ahead in Hamster Combat, especially by collecting these Hamster Combat keys. But here's the catch. While these keys might seem like a quick win, they could actually hurt your chances of qualifying for the airdrop. Let me explain why. If you check out Telegram right now, you'll find tons of channels and groups sharing these Hamster Combat keys daily. It's tempting to grab as many as you can, but here's the problem. The game system is designed to track and record your activity closely. When you're in the Hamster Combat playground, you'll see various games like My Clone Army, Chaincube 2048, TR Miner, and Bicycle. Each of these games rewards you with keys based on your performance. But if you're too eager and collecting keys from external sources rather than earning them through gameplay, you might be setting yourself up for trouble. Shortcuts might boost your position temporarily, but if you want to be a serious contender for the Hamster Combat airdrop, you need to play by the rules. Let's look at it this way. Every action you take in the game, including collecting keys and participating in challenges, is recorded. This data includes the IP address and device details used to get these keys. For example, if your IP address shows you're using an iPhone 7 while your source for these keys is someone using a completely different device and location, this discrepancy could raise red flags. The system is smart enough to detect irregularities, and if it notices that you're getting keys from dubious sources, it could disqualify you from the airdrop. Hamster Combat is actively fighting against unfair practices and automation, and using these shortcuts could label you as a cheater. The game system tracks everything you do, and soon you might see an update showing the number of keys you've obtained and where they came from. If you've been participating in these practices, now's the time to stop and start playing fairly. So, there you have it. The truth about Hamster Combat keys. Play fair, play legit, and increase your chances of getting that airdrop. If you watch this video to the very end, congratulations! I have a surprise package for you. Check the link in the description and join my Telegram group to claim it. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.